name is Eliza Depoorter and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at LM-UGent. LM-UGent stands for Laboratory of Microbiology at Ghent University. We are a diverse group of researchers and we study microbial diversity and evolution, but also host-pathogen interaction, taxonomy and even protein biochemistry. And all this in the fields of medical, food, environmental and plant-associated microbiology.
In our lab we run all kinds of omics analyses, and these really generate large and complex data sets. To analyze these data sets, we really dedicated Linux environment to run all our bioinformatics tools. We already had a lab server to run all these analysis and bioinformatics tools, but it was severely outdated, so we went searching for an alternative. We used the Tier-2 infrastructure from the VSC to run really compute-intense and batch analyses, but we were still in need for some small-scale, very flexible Linux environment.
For us, the VSC cloud offers us the flexibility that we need. Flexibility in terms of software installs, in terms of data storage, and it allows us to give our fellow researchers at the lab a learning environment to get comfortable with command line bioinformatics tools, which allows them to eventually transition to the Tier-2 HPC infrastructure.
So first of all, we applied for a starting grant, so we could actually test out this Tier-1 cloud for 4 months. It made it possible for us to actually grow as a sysadmin and also gain some experience on how to set it up and see if it was really a good solution for our problem, which it was.
The project application was quite straightforward. We got some help to fine-tune the details, but this part was over quite fast. Setting up the virtual machine was a different story. For us it was quite difficult because we are 2 microbiology postdocs without any real IT experience. The documentation was quite extensive, but we did get a lot of support from the HPC-UGent team to help set up this virtual machine. And this allowed us to gain some experience and to grow, and now we are system administrators of our own lab server. So the time investment was well worth it because it's really making our bioinformatics analyses much faster and much easier. We find that the VSC infrastructure is very stable, it's well organized, the available documentation is extensive and the support is really excellent. A lot of labs these days use omics technologies and generate a lot of data. And to those labs, I really recommend to make the step towards the VSC Tier-1 cloud infrastructure. The project application is straightforward, and once the VM is set up, it will really save you a lot of time. For us, it meant we could scale up our genome data analysis to the point where we created a database, Strain Insight, with genomes of our private bacteria collection, which we will be opening up to both academia and industry very soon.